All right, Maria.
Yes.
How do you feel when you're on the mountain?
I feel like I'm in complete control, but also very free.
Mm,
Like, I'm not thinking about like my line or anything. I'm just like going with what I'm feeling.
nice.
And it's one of the most like liberating feelings ever.
Oh, liberating. Yeah, there's nothing like that freedom on the mountain.
Yeah.
Oh, that's beautiful. Rolling deep, man. Took over this entire Southwest flight. Those mountains. Beautiful. What's up, Chris?
Hello.
Ryan, are you excited to ski?
Let's go.
I'll go straight to the chutes.
Yes.
Ready to shred.
I just like this aesthetic of y'all just chilling down here. Especially Scott with his wine and Mike. I'm just gonna keep this frame right at you guys. It's pretty. Preston, do you like the Airbnb?
I like it.
I don't think you look comfortable enough though. I think you would like it if you were getting more comfortable.
Should I strip?
I mean, that's always an option. I don't think anyone's gonna stop you. And they have Unos, and that already is like a +3. I guess +1. Nice. Look at this.
It's pretty immaculate.
Mike, what's one word to describe how you're feeling going into day one at Big Sky?
Fantastic.
Ooh.
I feel fantastic right now.
You look
I'm about to
fantastic.
crush it. Oh, thank you, baby. You know, I'm rocking my favorite color, olive. Olive is my color of choice. We're twinning, yes. Hey.
Chris, you've been a Big Sky a few times. What are you excited for coming back this time around?
Just enough to keep you going for like hitting some of the shoots with the boys. No, not really.
The triple blacks, baby.
And enjoying the views, enjoying the sunshine, and ripping some groomers and looking back over my shoulder and just seeing the pack flowing down the mountain.
Together.
Together.
Yes, sir. Chris, these are the jumps that we should be hitting, bro.
And looking like that, that's exactly how you need to look too.
Yeah.
That's how you do it.
It's perfect form.
That's proper form.
What's up, guys? So you both are relatively new to skiing.
Correct.
Would you guys recommend skiing to your friends?
I would. It's so rewarding once you really get it.
In what way?
I don't know, the views are really nice and once you like feel like you can do something after not being so motivated about it at the beginning, it's really refreshing.
Yeah, it reinforces confidence for sure. Like it looks steep and then you actually make it down.
Yeah, and you're like, I did that.
Hell yeah. What about you, Madison?
I would say it's good to do things with delayed gratification. And this is very much delayed gratification, but you get the perks along the way of being outside, being with friends, like you said, having that moment that clicks, and then beautiful views. Would recommend.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
That moment that clicked is the best.
and then you'll get addicted, so.
Absolutely.
Alright, so just follow,
You guys go left here.
go under Thunderwolf.
Dude, you just fucked up my shot.
That's okay.
Maria, which of these shoots are we doing first?
The scariest one.
The scariest one? They all look pretty scary.
We're just gonna go straight down and see how long it takes.
We love skiing rocks. Dude, Preston, as beautiful as it is out here, it's crazy that I enjoy the off-rate just as much and spending time with this guy right here. We're gonna get some Connect 4 in.
Oh man, that's
Some
why
billiards.
I came on this trip, just the Connect 4.
Preston's gonna teach me how to play some chess. What's your favorite opera activity?
Opera?
Oh my god.
What'd you say?
Opera. What's your favorite opera activity? Like, what's your favorite thing to do after skiing?
Oh, it's like opera.
Opera? I mean, that's definitely an option.
You know, a little Catan is always fun. Unfortunately, we don't have Catan, so a little chess is always fun.
Really? That's it?
Yeah, that's it.
Damn, bro, I missed the moment. I'm just trying to epitomize what these trips are all
I'm not
about.
giving you any more.
Come on.
Just save that when we make a like ice cream cookie.
Yeah, the Pazookies. Damn, sauteing up the rotisserie chicken.
Let's go. Whoa.
How many chickens did you pull? I can't even count that high.
Your first experience, with the toasted.
With the toasted,
Cookies and cream,
what
baby.
flavor? What flavor is this?
Cookies and cream.
Toasted cookies and cream.
Okay.
All right,
brother.
cheers, bro.
It's very hot. I don't even want to try. I'm gonna burn myself. I already know.
No, it's doable.
Okay. It's for the vlog.
Solid. It's not as sweet as I expected.
I mean,
Definitely like a good like cookie flavor.
it's better than
It's
I
kind of like a
expected.
graham cracker vibe.
Better than I expected.
This is what I said. It's like, is it similar to a s'more?
Yeah, it's similar to s'more.
Out of 10, what do you got?
7.5.
Yeah, I give it a 7.
Nice. Okay, positive review.
Just some extra support for you.
All right, so this is your second season skiing, and in the handful of days that I've skied with you, you've leveled up literally every time. So the progression's been pretty amazing. So what has that felt like in terms of feeling the momentum and like wanting to continue to progress? Like what's kept you excited to keep coming back out here?
Keeping up with my girlfriend is a challenge.
That's true. Maria fucking rips.
So she's pushing me to be better, and stringing consecutive days together is key.
All right, Mike. So as you and I both know, getting started skiing as an adult is extremely difficult. The very large learning curve. So what kept you motivated to keep coming out? Because I very much relate on those first few days, getting stuck, falling up and down. So, and you've made a lot of progress over the last couple of seasons. So what's kept you out here and what's kept you motivated?
I think just wanting to challenge myself in a different avenue of life. In my workplace, I don't really challenge myself as much, so this is just like one of the things that I can really get in the zone and push myself to another limit, especially physically. I feel like skiing has definitely pushed me to a physical endurance level that I've never even imagined. So
Right.
I think that's what's keeping me going and wanting to achieve the next level. And also just the exhilarating rush of just being out here with all of my good buddies and friends and just being able to bomb it down from out
Absolutely.
together. That's like probably one of the most exhilarating feelings ever, just seeing
Panoramic views all around you.
panoramic views, 8 people just zooming down all together, all of our friends. It's just great.
Yeah, I love that, man. And there's a beautiful sense of confidence that comes from doing that's something that's so out of your comfort zone.
Yeah.
That's something I very much relate to, is like having not grown up skiing, knowing how difficult it was initially, but then gaining a lot of confidence and like knowing like, okay, at first like getting comfortable on greens, then on blues, then doing moguls, and challenging in a completely new way while embracing nature. It's cool because then you prove to yourself that you're doing things that initially thought impossible, and then you're getting more and more comfortable and you're doing it with other people.
I know, it's great. I mean, you can't really instill confidence without setting yourself up for not failure, but just hardships. So obstacles like this, it's nice.
It's beautiful, man. Absolutely. Well, I feel like I'm about to drop my phone. Get slope snacks, baby. What slope snacks are people underrating on the mountain?
As far as snacks, I'd say dried fruit, such as dried apricots, is one of my personal favorites. Maybe some dark chocolate and nuts if you're feeling it. I think, honestly, low-key, like carrots and cucumbers.
Carrots and cucumbers are so refreshing. Apple slices.
Yep, slept up.
Yeah, get some sugars. For sure, bro. Look at this. You and I, we both have a really strong mutual passion for fitness. That's, a big part of our friendship. And it's amazing to be able to share it out here in the mountains and exert ourselves physically in that way. So what is that like for you to be able to personally express your passion for fitness on the slopes? Like, what does it feel like? What does it smell like? How does it compare to your day-to-day?
Yeah, I think it's definitely a challenge. It's a different type of fitness. Like, I feel like no matter how good of shape you're in when you're out here,
Oh yeah,
you're gonna come out and you're gonna get humbled.
especially in the altitude.
Especially with the way that we ski, like we always try to push it.
Yeah.
We push the limit, so it's challenging, but at the same time, it's a nice carryover from our daily routine of exercise, because we push ourselves in the gym anyway, so we know what it feels like to do hard things.
Especially when we're in such a big group, it's fun because it's almost like we're hazing ourselves together, but like we bond through going on really challenging runs and then feeling that accomplishment together at the end.
Yeah, it's a beauty. And also, like, yeah, it's nice, like you said, it's nice to have each other to push off of, because I'm a solo workout guy. Like, I don't usually work out with people, so it's nice to be able to push each other and like really see what we're capable of out here.
Absolutely, brother. Well, it's an honor to be able to shred out here with you, bro.
It's an absolute treat.
Dude, right? Isn't it a marvel that human beings can just come down these rocks with wooden planks on their feet?
I don't know how the other one is on there so well. This one is like I said, this one.
Hiking season came early.
A little pre-run PB&J. Yeah, this gets our spot first.
Oh, shit.
You say.
And want to do a little snowball fight?
Yes, sir.
Oh my god.
What are we doing?
I think we're just having lunch. A little picnic. Oh.
Something you're grateful for, Vlad?
I am grateful to have friends willing to adventure out to the side of a mountain, to have a capable body that's able to endure this, and for God for blessing us to do this incredible sport and this incredible nature.
Yes, sir.
It doesn't get much better than this.
Agreed.
Scale of 1 to 10, how would y'all rate that experience, hiking up headwaters and then skiing down those chutes?
Definitely a 10.
10?
10 out of 10.
In terms of intensity, thrill, snow quality,
Challenge.
scare,
Snow quality?
frightening for our life.
I don't know, Bailey and I just
Challenging.
skied some rocks.
Yeah, we just sent it over the cliff.
I've had that sort of like intensity
Fear for my
in a
life.
while.
Fear for your life.
Actual fright.
Yeah,
I don't feel that very often.
no. It's not like a roller coaster, it's like actual danger.
Oh yeah.
Scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate that experience?
I don't know, man. Like enjoyment or just
Overall, overall.
Like, I'll remember it for the rest of my life.
Yeah.
I don't know what that means.
Never
On a 10 scale. My fear was at like an 8.
An 8, yeah.
Or 7.5 or 8.
It's like one of those things you just don't want to think about it. You can't look down.
I couldn't say anything because if I started saying stuff,
No point.
yeah.
No.
What are you
You're-
guys
you're
gonna-
up there.
What are you guys gonna do?
Yeah, exactly. Like, guys, I'm scared.
In my head, I was like, guys.
Hey, we did it.
Yeah, we
Did
did
it.
We fucking did it, boys.
Legends forever.
Let's go, baby. We did it. Let's go to the back. Oh, I
Vlad,
get a little reward.
Here, take a bite, buddy.
All right.
Beautiful. Oh my God.
We'll play it cool when we tell everyone about this. Yeah.
Hey, good bite.
We got the whole thing.
Fuck it.
Ah.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Pizza. Crafting the pizza.
Crafting.
Perfect timing.
Yes, Christine.
Look at that egg on a pizza. Yeah.
Probably pretty fire. Probably more fire actually.
So our trip is coming to a close, sadly, but luckily we only have like 14 other ski trips planned for the rest of the season. So before ski trips, what do you typically anticipate or look forward to the most?
What I look forward to the most is usually one, like I guess 2 things. One is like usually when we go ski, like most of the people we go with are pretty good. And
Yeah.
so it's always a good chance to just push myself for a couple days and do runs and
Some nice hiking.
experiences that I wouldn't do normally.
Yeah.
And then just the opera is always so nice. 'Cause usually we get a really solid spot to crash and just spend a couple hours at the Opry, just making food,
For sure.
chatting, shooting shit.
Enjoy some nice views, have some good company. Absolutely. All right, Andre, as our trip comes to a close, one interesting thing that you and I did was switch skis and snowboard for a day. So given your experience now trying out both a ski and a snowboard, what are your general sentiments and what would you recommend to somebody who's thinking about trying either in their decision on whether to do one or the other?
I would definitely say if you've never done any snow sports, skiing is the way to go. Just because it's so unnatural to be tied in and not have mobility in your legs in a snowboard. So if you've never done snow sports, try skiing first just to get an idea of what the snow feels like. And then later on, if you want to just look cooler, switch over to snowboard.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, snowboards definitely have more of that cool factor.
Snowboarders look so much cooler. I was watching a video of myself on my skis and I was like, oh my god, we're like
looking goofy,
yeah.
sitting down.
My knees bent, like hunched over.
Nah,
Way cooler.
you killed it though. All right, one word to describe this trip.
Reset.
Magnificent.
Nice.
Terminal South Carolina, begin the boarding process for flight 3885 with service to Denver.